Hi guys, today I have INFINIX Note 40 Pro and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. Our first step to do it is open Google Chrome application, where we press three dots on the right corner. There, tap on settings option, where we have our password manager, and there we can manage our password which our smartphone remember, in this case to our Facebook account. We must click there. Now we must enter look screen to connect to get access to that, and after we press this first icon we can copy our email or copy our passwords, or after we press this eyes icon our smartphone show us password which remember. We can also edit all by edit and write something new or delete all, and the same story with password. We can also add note which we see when we go back. To delete all, we press delete and confirm by delete, and now we don't have any saved passwords. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!